In this video, you'll learn how to assemble your spice rack cabinet.
To assemble this cabinet, you will need the following tools and supplies: a power drill equipped with a Phillips head bit or a Phillips head screwdriver, a dead blow hammer or rubber mallet, and a staple gun. While an air-powered pneumatic staple gun will make the job easier, you can also use an inexpensive manual staple gun. We tested the Arrow Model T50 heavy-duty staple gun with success, and this model can be found for under $20 at most hardware stores. You'll also need the appropriate 3/8 or 10mm staples for your staple gun, as well as a bottle of wood glue, which will form the primary bond that holds your cabinet together. A pneumatic pin nailer will help you assemble drawers quickly, but it is not required since the drawers can also be fastened together using wood glue. We'll show you both ways of assembling them.
The first step is to assemble the spice rack pull-out drawer as shown. You'll want to examine all the pieces of the drawer, using the groove as a guide to determine where they belong.
Press the dovetail joints together by hand, and then use a rubber mallet or dead blow hammer to tap the joint until it is flush. Follow that up with 3 or 4 pin nails along the seam. If you don't have access to a pneumatic pin nailer, here's how to assemble the drawers using wood glue. First, apply a small amount of wood glue into each section of the dovetail joint. Make sure that the groove for the drawer bottom is properly oriented, and then press the dovetail joint together. Use a dead blow hammer or a rubber mallet to tap the dovetail joint together until it is flush. Finally, wipe off any excess glue with a damp cloth. Repeat this process as needed to complete your drawer's assembly.
Drop the drawer bottoms into place and then continue assembling the back of the drawers. Attach a bumper to each corner on the back of the drawer face. Next, apply a bead of wood glue into the grooves on the back side of the front face of the cabinet. If you apply too much glue, simply wipe off the excess with a damp towel. Attach 90-degree assembly brackets as shown. They should be placed along the edge of the groove so that they are flush with it. You can place these brackets in the general vicinity shown here. Remember that the placement of these angle brackets is much less important than having a good snug fit so that your glue will dry properly. It is the glue that creates the permanent bond that holds your cabinet together. Once you have the sides in place, you can slide the bottom shelf into place. Next, we'll attach additional 90-degree assembly brackets to the bottom of the cabinet. These will ensure that all the parts are held together firmly while the glue has a chance to dry and form a permanent bond. For now, just put 2 assembly brackets on, one on the front and one on the side. We'll put the third one on after we attach the back panel. Once again, the actual positioning of these brackets is not critical. They are just there to hold everything together while the glue dries. Next, attach the plastic part of the drawer guides into the pre-drilled holes on the back panel as shown. Slide the back panel into place and secure it with staples. Secure the back panel to the bottom shelf using the 1 3/4 wood screws. On the bottom, attach an assembly bracket to the remaining side. Now attach the top corner assembly brackets. Now it's time to attach the toe kick. You can do so using a pin nailer or with a hammer and 2D finish nails. Next, we'll install the metal part of the drawer glides. Here's a close-up of how they connect to the plastic part that we've already installed in the back panel. Simply slide them into place and then affix them using the screws that accompany them. Align the catches on the drawer glides with the pre-drilled holes on the drawer. Carefully slide it into place. Congratulations! Your cabinet is complete.